Hello there, my name is Brandon Deere, and today I will be teaching you how to do a video call on Google Hangouts. So what you want to do first, of course, sign in like always. Go to Google Hangouts, it should be an app. You press on the waffle, and you scroll down Hangouts. After that, you press on, this whole page should pop up. You press on this little button, video call. There should be a whole new thing that pops up. It's gonna ask you if you are allowed to use your microphone. Allow it to. That way you can talk to the other person you're trying to communicate with. Afterwards, you're going to type in any email you want to send them an invite to talk face to face with you. There you go. And you can also copy the link to share. This will allow you to invite people without even sending them an email. I'm going to invite this person. This is my other email. And it says, you are the only one here. As soon as the other person joins, if you have a camera, then you will be able to talk to them face to face. Their face will be right there. But if you did not have a camera, you would only be able to talk to them through your voice. You can also send messages to people. You can also invite more people, as well as use the settings, your camera, your microphone, your speakers. There is a test bar where it says test, and it plays a sound for you, as well as your bandwidth, which is the video that you're watching. So the video of the person that you're talking to, as well as sharing your screen. You can share your screen with somebody. Be careful with this, it's going to be a little bit of some weird inception stuff. There you go. So now the other person that I'm talking to can see my screen. And then you're going to want to press stop sharing if you want to stop sharing with them. As well as you can do full screen. As well as chat with them. This just pulls up the chat in the bottom left. Exit full screen. You could do help. Ask Google for help. Anything that you need. As well as feedback. Give Google feedback on what they could be doing more, better, what they could be doing wrong. Anything like that. And this is how you mute and unmute yourself. As well as ending the call. This will be the last thing that you do. Appreciate your time, and have a wonderful day.